Hi, welcome to SmartCheck from Children's TYLENOL. Here's some tips to help you get started so you're ready when your child needs you.
The SmartCheck app can be downloaded from the App Store. Download the free app and follow the step-by-step instructions to help set up your device and create your child's profile. You will need to install the included AAA battery. Use a small 000 Phillips head screwdriver to open the battery door. Keep in mind, the screw does not come all the way out. Simply loosen the screw, then tilt the battery door towards the button to release the screw. Then lift straight up to remove the top from the device. Insert the battery, close it up, retighten the screw, and you're good to go. The first time you open the app, our setup wizard will guide you through the entire attachment and recording process, complete with instructional videos. Setup takes about 15 minutes, and we recommend having another adult available to help you complete your first recording. Practicing will help you get more comfortable using SmartCheck. Even after the setup wizard is complete, try recording on another adult or your child when they're feeling healthy. Some children are anxious during doctor's visits and might be nervous when experiencing SmartCheck for the first time. You can help them feel more comfortable and confident by showing them how SmartCheck works and talk them through the steps as you capture a recording. Give your child time to ask questions, and don't forget to show them their ear recording at the end. Sharing videos makes SmartCheck an educational and engaging experience for your child. Thanks for watching. To learn more about SmartCheck, visit our website and read our instructions for use.